Today we make simple bowl. Teriyaki bowl. Looks very good. Very good. Step 1. Slowly poke holes. That's good. What else does it say? Remove part. Okay. 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Gotta grab a soda for this. Grab a soda. Okay. I got a soda. Nice. A nice soda. Now I'm gonna put this in here. Now I'm gonna close it. Again. Okay, so while it's cooking, we're gonna do DIY. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, anyway, get our soda popping. Yeah, I got it, okay. I inhaled something. Oh, it must be ready. What the fuck? Where did it? But how? What kind of microwave are we buying these days? Well, leave a thumbs up if you want this microwave, and leave a comment. Send help, please. Hashtag help. Save microwaves. God, what's it with these pizza waves?